Hey love, it's Angelica. Welcome and welcome back. I tried getting braids at a local hair salon in Zambia, which is in Africa, so I'm carrying you along with me to the hair salon. Let's see how this goes. I didn't mean to put you in it. Okay, so I'm walking up. Wow, my eyes are watering. I'm walking up to the market now to go and braid my hair. It is not far. I used to live in this area, so I used to be here like all the time when I was little, but now I live much further away. But my friends still live here, so we're going to the person who braids my friend's hair outside with a bonnet. Yep. So yeah, we're just going there now. So this is the road leading up to the hair salon. It is a walkable distance, so there's no need to get on a cab, on a bus, or anything like that. This is my old neighborhood. As I said, I used to live in this area, so there's just, like I said, the market. Yes, it's not necessarily a market, it's just like a tiny little shopping center where you find, like most areas have a little area like this where there's a couple stores that sell a couple drinks and stuff. And here's the hair salon. It is called Liaison. This is my first time here, and it's your standard African salon. Most of them actually look like this wherever you go. Okay, yes. So I just want like 6 corners, not 6, sorry, 12. 12. Yeah, not very big ones, just going straight behind. Okay.
Oh no. Oh, your hair is really easy to comb through.
Very easy. Because they blow dry.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Imagine if you just came with your
That's why
hair.
I always thought because it would be a strap.
Do something else.
Should I have a control just plain like that? Just plain.
Jeez, your hair is thick. Wow. Thick.
There's no space in between the hairs. So this is actually about 4 days after blow drying my hair, so you can see it looks like way more frizzy than it looked at the beginning. I actually did a whole prep video for this video because I showed how I take care of my hair, how I wash it, how I blow dry it, every single thing, so that you know what I do to prepare for a protective style. But I don't blow dry my hair and then braid it the next day. I always have at least a day in between because I am sort of tender-headed and I don't like my scalp to be like still in a little bit of pain, and it can also alter what I think about how the person is braiding my hair if my scalp is already irritated. So I plan to blow dry my hair, have a day in between, and then go to the hair salon the next day. But unfortunately, life happened and this was actually 4 days. But surprisingly, my hair was still really easy to comb through and everything was all good.
I've allowed it. I can't even try.
Yeah. Your hands was spinning, huh?
Too much. I don't even know how to
I have
hold.
to make breaks when I braid my hair. I just,
So you can braid your own hair like this? How long do you take?
It's very hard.
So if you're saying it's hard, there's no chance for me.
I know, right? There's no chance.
Yeah. You're fast.
So as you can see, she braids hair super fast, and don't worry, I'm gonna get into the nitty-gritty details in just a little bit, but I just wanted to explain a little bit about the hair salon, why I chose to come here, which is because I could have gone to like a nice little fancy hair salon, but these are the best for getting braids. They don't overcharge you, and most of the time they do the best job because these ladies work from experience, not papers. So one of my best friends has been coming to this hair salon, aka my sister you saw at the beginning of this video. She has been coming to this salon since she was a kid, so these people have been braiding hair for like 15 20 years, somewhere there. Like here people start young. It's a very normal thing. You can go in and get your hair braided almost anywhere. So let's talk about how she's braiding. As you can see, I'm not sure if it looks as gentle on camera, but she is so gentle. My hair was sort of reverted at the roots because it is extremely hot right now. It's not even at the hottest of the hottest, but it's very hot and my hair was like reverting. I was sweating and everything. But she's parting it so gently. Even when she combed, she didn't pull any of my hair out. She is extremely gentle, and the braids that she's doing are very straightforward. They're basically the same braids that I do by myself. So she just makes a line, she makes her line, and then she makes a line in the middle, and she's braiding the ones that are folded inward, not folded outwards. I guess Dutch, not French, or maybe the other way around, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, what I love is she's extremely gentle. She braids so neatly from the hairline and all the way back, but she doesn't braid my edges, which I truly love. She does not pull. I felt zero tightness. Like, you do not see me flinch at any point. If you see me close my eyes, I was probably just a little tired, but I did not flinch at any point. She was extremely gentle. She braided the hair so fast. My hair was not getting tangled or knotted. And what I really like is she did not put any edge control on my hair. She didn't put any hair gel. She didn't put any pomade to make the hair like super sleek for her to braid it. She just braided it exactly how it was. She just asked me if I wanted to blow dry my hair or do anything like wash it before. And I said, no, it's fine. I already washed it and blow dried it. And she's like, okay, sit down. Let's get straight to it. And she started braiding my hair. So I really like that. So this is my first time in the hair salon here in, I think, since the beginning of my natural hair journey, and I have never gone to the hair salon to get straight back braids before, ever, because I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't worth it, or I just would do it myself and I didn't feel the need to go to the hair salon. But now that I was here, it literally took her only about 40 to 45 minutes to braid my entire head, and as you can see, I have super thick hair. She was so gentle, and I felt very little like breakage or damage compared to even when I do it myself. And I think that's just due to the angle of someone else braiding your hair compared to how you have to bend your arms to braid it yourself. And it usually takes me like 2 to 3 hours to finish braiding my hair, especially braids that are this small. And it is just so worth it, to the point that I think every time I want to braid my hair, I'm just going to be going to the hair salon so this lady can braid my hair, because it is just so much easier. You have to do no work. All you have to do is sit down, and these braids usually last me about 4 to 5 weeks, so it's definitely worth it. Another thing I really like about how gentle she is that now that she has braided my hair, I know that she is so gentle and manages the hair so well that the next time I come to do this, I don't actually have to blow dry my hair, because I know she can handle it. The reason why I blow dried it, I said it in my other video prepping for this one. I said I decided to blow dry my hair because whether she did my friend's hair before, my friend has totally different hair than me, and I knew that it would just make it easier on everyone and also prevent any breakage from being rough with the hair and it tangling. So next time I come and braid my hair, I'm just going to do what I usually do to stretch my hair, and that is heavily moisturize my hair, put it in large braids, like maybe 6 of them, and then unbraid them the day before and just comb my hair out, and it will be nice and stretched and soft, probably even softer than it is on this day, and I'm sure it's going to come out perfect.
My payment, a nice scalp massage. I like the way the oil feels it coming.
Yeah. And I like it like either if it's colder than my skin or hotter than my skin.
Oh yeah.
Like,
I know what you mean.
Than room temperature.
No, definitely. The warm feels so nice, even the cold.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the price. By the way, you can see a better angle here, how she grips the hair so easily and gently. But yes, let's talk about the price, because I know someone's gonna ask. The beauty of getting your hair braided in Zambia is that it is very affordable. It only cost me, trust me, listen to this, less than $5. Like maybe $4.90 or 80 cents, something like that. But just under $5, and this is basically like a regular price here, especially in these hair salons. If you went to like a more expensive hair salon, it would probably be like, I don't know, $10 or less. but I find that these ladies just have the most experience, and braids are the easiest thing to do. Like when it comes to these women, they are masters at braiding hair, especially when it comes to cornrows and box braids. I find no reason to go to like a fancy hair salon unless I just want to be in that environment, which I don't find necessary. This is a nice place, it's a walkable distance, and it is very cheap. Now, before anyone in the comments starts saying something like, oh my god, I would just pay like the full $30, listen, that's like me going to New York and looking at one of those tiny apartments and saying, I'm just gonna pay like the full $60 for this apartment, because trust me, the apartments that go for like $1,000 or $1,500 to $2,000 in New York would probably cost you like $45 here. Okay, so the cost of living is different everywhere, and our cost of living is very low, but also of course our economy is also not that great. So even if the cost of living is low, it's still not that great. So I just want to explain that a lot of people who work in major jobs get paid like $300, $250. So those prices that work abroad, like those are not the same prices here. And I just also want to put out a tiny little disclaimer. If you're African and you agree with this, I find it quite disrespectful when people say, I got my hair braided by the Africans and they did it too tight. Like, you know, we're not the Africans. Africa is a continent and we are lots of countries within it. I am African, yes, but I'm also Zambian. So just putting it out there a little bit, you know, if you want to get your hair braided by the Africans, as you call them, please be respectful, okay? So yes, also in this shop, if you want to get box braids, the price is like $11 or something like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's about $11 or maybe even a little less. It is awesome. As you can see, this woman is extremely neat and I enjoyed this so much. She was also very nice, very easy to talk to, and I knew that if she was braiding me too tight or I wanted her to make any change or anything like that, I knew she would be very easy to talk to. And also, since my friend has been coming here for a really long time, I knew not to worry about anything like that. One thing you might hear about Zambians from most people in most countries is that we are very nice. We're very nice to most people. But you know how it is in the hair salon, you just never know. Some hairdressers are just like, don't tell me what to do, don't do this. But she is so kind, so easy to talk to. I also like that I didn't have to explain anything about how to braid. I didn't have to say don't braid it too tight. I didn't have to tell her to not braid it up to the ends, because I know a lot of hairdressers here do that. She left the ends nice and done. This was just the most perfect job, and I'm definitely going to be coming back here every time I want to get cornrows done, because I just do not have the energy to be doing this by myself every single time. If you enjoyed this and you want me to do more experiences at the hair salon in Zambia, please let me know. Hit the subscribe button also on the side of the screen if you didn't subscribe, and watch the other 2 videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, so nice and neat. I think I'll just be coming here now. Alright, you're welcome. Like living on like, oh, I do.